Look, you made a movie called, you know, The Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Leatherface Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3. You better offend, I hope it offends people, you know? I mean, because if you're worried about offending someone making a movie like that, it's over.
Don't you ever do that to me, bitch.
I remember there's one thing, we had Alfredo, and maybe it's a cliche, but we had Alfredo, like, hold a Bible right before he looked in on Kate Hodge going to the bathroom. And so kind of that little dichotomy there, you know, that was excised right away.
I'm not worthy to receive you, bitch.
Cutting. Mark.
The one effect we did that really never worked, probably the most graphic in the script, was the character played by Toni Hudson. When she gets killed, she kind of gets bisected by the saw and kind of like splits off in two halves.
One of the most uncomfortable nights of my life was the night we shot that.
Okay, Mark.
The plan was to be behind the tree, shooting over part of her body and to see Leatherface. We built a dummy, full fiberglass dummy of the actress in a screaming expression. We had the arm whipping around as a result of the, you know, the violence of the chainsaw going through. I must have been a fucking idiot. I don't know what the hell I was thinking, but I was directly below the chainsaw. Like, the dummy was right above me, and I was laying on the ground with a fire extinguisher filled with blood. As soon as I look up, foam in the tree starts atomizing, so I'm suddenly blind. I literally have my eyes closed, because it's like somebody taking foam insulation and just pouring it on me. The puppeteers are operating the dummy, so the dummy's whipping all around, and it just kept going, and the take was like probably 50 seconds. The blood's spraying, and I know it's atomizing because it's everywhere. I look up, and the blood's going straight up. Nobody else got a frickin' drop on him that I remember, except for me.
All right. Get close, hold it. Take him up, air. Up. Down. Good.
The way Bill Butler was hung, that was kind of a reference to the Ed Gein, the famous Ed Gein photos of the women that were in his barn.
Mark. Action.
I always had a problem with his hit to the head business. Till Tink here geniused up a new way.
Please. What What have we done?
No, please don't. Not again. You promised. The next one was mine. Let me do it.
I don't see why not. All right, darling, Will. You ready, honey? Come on.
Hold Sally.
Okay. Now, remember what I told you. Take this one.
Well, you have to count 1, 2, 3.
All right, I will. Now, grab on. Ready? 1, 2,
Can't you stop this?
3. That's a good one. Okay.
Honey, now you go get washed up for dinner.
And cut. Action.
Why are you doing this?
Because if you don't poke them, then they don't leak. And if they don't leak, we can't feed Grandpa. Silly.
Wait. Second.
Okay.
Bring the front up just
Be
a touch.
ready. Blade's coming up.
Yeah. Okay. And pump the blood. Pump the blood. Keep going, Stanley. Keep going. Yeah, finish it. Okay, take it down now. Calmly come down. Slowly fade out the bubble. And cut.
You gotta learn. I hope that people now can see more of what it should have been or could have been, and see it in the best way possible. And that's what's so exciting about 14 years later revisiting it.